Hey guys, and welcome to another Gravey's Brew Review with me, Gareth Goes Gravey. Now for this video, as you saw from the title at the beginning, and as you can see from the title below, this particular video is going to be my second unboxing video here on YouTube. Well, here on this channel. And once again, as you saw from the title at the beginning, and as you can see from the title below, I'm going to be unboxing my latest homebrew purchase, which is a Winebuddy 6-bottle 7-day starter kit. Now this one, I'll actually turn the box around because that is what is in this particular kit. It's a Chardonnay. So I'm not going to beat around the bush, I'm just going to get down to it. Now I must admit, I have already opened this box and looked inside to see what's in it, just so that I can show you what is in the box and tell you a little bit about each piece. I must stress, first things I'm going to get out of the way, what I'll do is I'll pop a link to where I purchased this kit, and with some of these starter kits you only get what is going to be in this box. However, with this version of the kit, it also came with a kilo of brewing sugar, of which, when it comes to my brewing this particular beverage, I don't know if I'll do it later today or maybe in the next couple of days, you need 900 grams of the brewing sugar, and you also need 6 bottles. Again, these came with this particular kit, and if anybody's wondering, they are glass. So I'm going to be careful when I put that back down there. Okay, so no more beating around the bush. I'm just going to open the box and I'm going to show you what is inside. And first things first, I'll put that down there now. You get, well, you get 2 buckets basically. I'll start off with, I shouldn't have done this. Well, as I say, you get 2 buckets. I will try and remove those as best I can before I start. You also get the one lid. For obvious reasons, you don't need 2 lids when it comes to brewing the kit. Ah, here we go, I think. Oh, that's why it's not moving. 2 buckets. And then this top bucket, I'm just going to bring the camera in closer so that you can see this properly. Your all important instructions. Now I have already read these. It looks as simple, if not more so simple, as brewing a beer. You get a hydrometer, which, I mean, you don't really need to see these hydrometers. You've already seen the couple that I use. You get some labels for your bottles when it comes to bottling your beer, your wine. And now we're on to some packets of powders and other chemicals, lack of a better word, that you're going to need for your brewing. And first off, most importantly, your yeast and yeast nutrient. That is pack A. We have pack B, which is some French oak chips. We have pack C, which is called a stabilizer. We have pack D, which is a Chardonnay F pack. I assume the F stands for flavour. And you get 3 packs of what is known as finings. You get pack E, which is finings 1, pack F, finings 2, pack G, finings 3. A lot of chemicals to go in this. You also get a bottle of grape concentrate. I believe that's about a 300 ml bottle. You get a siphon for obviously switching the or for siphoning the wine from one fermenter to the other. I will explain more about that when I come to do the video, the brewing video. Get a nice little spoon. Can't exactly use that big spoon from my beer kit for this. Again, you'll see why when it comes to brewing the whole thing. You get a little clip. I believe this is for when you are siphoning from the fermenter to the bottles. You could just clip that on the side of the fermenter. Something similar to that. Well, it'll be on that way. What am I thinking? It'll be on that side. Well, one side or the other. Again, so that when it comes to bottling, you don't really have to worry about having to hold both sides of the siphon in order to get the bucket to siphon the wine, excuse me. And you also get, if I can get them all out, 6 little stoppers. They come with everything. 6 little stoppers that, much like a cork, goes into the top of the bottles. Now I've actually tried doing this myself just after I received the kit through the post. You go on something like that, it'd probably go on a bit further, something like that. I know it's not exactly the best of demonstrations, but that's what that particular item does. Okay, as I said, over the next couple of days, or maybe even this afternoon, I'll probably get into brewing this and seeing just how well this comes out. So look out for that. It might be this afternoon, might be in the next couple of days. Alright guys, well that was just my helpful quick look and unboxing of this particular kit. As I said at the top of the video, what I'm going to do, if anybody is interested in getting this, as I said from the end of my brewing video last night, if you're interested in getting this to move on to brewing something else, or if you want to get it as a Christmas present either for yourself or for anybody else, I want to pop a link down in the description to where I purchased this particular kit. And all I could say is, if you invest in it, it might come in very handy for future. And I think I may have forgotten to mention that the fermentation buckets are only 5 litres, so for any budding home brewers out there that are looking to get into starting home brewing, but you don't want to go as far as what I do, which is to brew 5 gallon. I want to brew just a little over a gallon. Get your SanDisk kit, and I've no doubt that as well as the wine kits, you can also use these buckets to do smaller batches of beer. Right guys, well, video went on just a little bit longer than what I was hoping, so that's all I can say. Okay, so that's all I've got for you for now. So from Gravey's Brew Review, this has been Gareth Goes Gravey, and I'll see you later.